The first step is to open a Google Sheets and click Share. Click to make sure that the general access is set to anyone with the link. If it is not on anyone with the link, click Anyone with the link. Click the down arrow next to the permission level to make sure that the permission level is set to Viewer. If it's not on Viewer, click Viewer. Click Copy Link. The link to the sheet is now copied in your clipboard. Click Done. I've only pasted the URL from my clipboard twice to show you what it looks like to make one of them into a force copy link. Note, you do not need to paste it here. You can paste it once directly into your browser's address bar. Regardless if you're in a cell's edit field or the browser's address bar, click to place your cursor in front of the word Edit in the URL, and select all of the text from the beginning of the word Edit to the end of the URL and delete it. Where that text used to be, type the word Copy. Here you can see the difference in the two URLs. Whichever method you used, copy the altered URL. Here I've used Ctrl+C on my keyboard to copy the URL. Regardless of which method you used, the URL that's now in your clipboard is the URL you'll share with others to force them to make a copy of the sheet. That's it, you're done.